If you need a transparent video from CapCut on your PC, you can get it in a few clean steps. I will share two methods with you. One to create small-size, low-resolution videos with no sound, which you can use on the internet and social media. Second, high-quality video with sound for use with other video editing tools, such as DaVinci Resolve and Premiere Pro. Let's start with the first method. Start CapCut and create a new project. Import the video or animation you want and drag it into the timeline. I am using one of my avatar videos. To make the background transparent, click the clip in the timeline so it's selected. Open the Video tab in the top right panel and go to Remove VG Guide. You have three reliable choices. Use auto removal if your subject is a person and you want CapCut's AI to do the work, or you can custom select and remove, or use chroma key if you filmed against a green screen. I have a green screen so that I will use chroma key. With chroma key, pick the green color. You can nudge the intensity and shadow sliders for a perfect result. After removal, the preview may show black where the background was. In CapCut, that usually means transparency. Before you export, double-check that no canvas or background layers are active beneath your clip. If a background layer is present, the video will not be transparent even after removing the clip's background. When you're ready, click the blue Export button in the top right. In the Export window, turn off Video Export, scroll down, and enable Export GIF. Pick a resolution 240p, 320p, or 640p, remembering that a higher resolution makes much larger files. Then export and save the transparent GIF video. Check the exported file in an image viewer or upload it where you plan to use it to confirm the transparency looks right. I'm using it in one of my Google Docs. See, there is no background. Let's jump to the second method. I have drumroll sound under the video. Select both, right-click, and create a compound clip. Instead of exporting directly, right-click this compound clip and select Export Selected Clips. Here, choose Codec RLE. Adjust other settings as you like and hit Export. You'll get your high-quality transparent video with sound. Let's import it into DaVinci Resolve. Drag it to the timeline and play. It works perfectly. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also comment, what problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.